Welcome to the world of Panasonic, the #1 appliances brand in Japan. Introducing the AH10 series, India's truly smart washing machine. This fully automatic top load has a 5-star energy rating to ensure best-in-class energy savings. It can be connected to Panasonic's Miraie app, which lets you remotely operate the machine from anywhere in the world. It also works with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to give voice commands from the comfort of your home. Each fabric is unique and needs a wash cycle perfectly suited to it to maintain its quality. Now, only if a washing machine can understand that. Well, this one does. Its Wash Wizard facility adjusts every cycle based on the fabric type, colors, dirt level, and much more, so that every cycle is customized to suit your laundry load. The Stain Genius feature ensures you never have to lose a battle with a stubborn stain. This comprehensive guide gives you pre-treatment options customized for different types of stains, so you always get only the best results. This washing machine comes with a smart built-in heater which adjusts the temperature of the water based on the type of fabric and how dirty the clothes are. It also eliminates 99.99% bacteria during this process, giving you clean, hygienic clothes with every wash. It's extremely annoying to wash and rewash clothes to get rid of that stubborn stain. The active foam system in this washing machine removes stains easily. It creates a dense foam which attaches itself to the dirt and pries it away from the fabric without damaging it or leaving any detergent marks. This intelligent machine also comes pre-paired with convenience like the auto pause feature, which can be accessed by the Miraie app. It lets you pause the machine during an ongoing cycle to add more clothes. And if this isn't enough, it uses the Miraie app to send you weather alerts, so you can plan your laundry days accordingly. What's more, you can also get regular maintenance reminders and can access service at just one touch. Handy, isn't it? The water reuse course of this washing machine helps save up to 23% of water by reusing it from the last rinse cycle for the next load of wash. That makes this washing machine not just smart, but also eco-friendly. Inspired by Japanese aesthetics, this washing machine has a soft closing lid and sports a chic, elegant body that looks smart in any space. Get smarter, more hygienic, and more efficient laundry with the AH10 series of fully automatic top-load washing machines from Panasonic.
Panasonic.